The highs with the lowest lows. That's like these days. World chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now. That's on me, ayy. The highs with the lowest lows. That's like these days. World chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God.
What's going on, guys? This is Tuesday, August 13th, and we are back at it again. All right, we're back out here, guys. We came out earlier. I mean, it's not super early, but we came out earlier before our caterings that we have so that we can get some on-demand orders as well. That was the plan, and we're out here. So we actually had like a 30-minute DoorDash sliver as well. So hopefully we can get some DoorDash love thrown in there as well. But right now we are dropping off this one right here from Trip Radar from Uber Eats. $7 from Moxie Coffee. Yeah. Why is this traffic so rough right here? Wow. I can't get across there. I don't know if I'm ever gonna be able to get across here. But anyways, I'm stuck now. But yeah, we're trying to go ahead and get this one dropped off here. I think this is going, I don't know if it's to the hospital, but it's right over there by it. You know, an Uber, I didn't do the zoom in, so you don't know until you know. I don't know. It's somewhere right around the hospital, but it doesn't matter. You know, we deliver it to, if it is the hospital, we deliver there 864 times. So there's no reason not to deliver it now. But yeah, guys, it's pretty fun stuff. So now we're going to go ahead and get this one dropped off, and hopefully we can catch some other ones and get this Tuesday started off with a bang, guys. Yeah. Let's get it.
Looking to the Lord and I just beg him to save me. 'Cause people who I trust.
All right, guys, this is the little children's hospital part across the street over here from the big hospital. So this should be easy, even though it says meet at door, which we'll see what this means. iMessage, I've arrived, and haven't gotten a response. So we'll see what happens with this. Let's see. Maybe this is better. Nope. Hello. Thank you. Hello. How you doing? I think it's that building, 19. Thank you. I'm sorry.
Bruh.
It's the next building over there. Look at this. Look at this crazy order. 30 miles, $12. This is the kind of stuff Uber does. We're in a whole other building though, guys. Whole other building. We're way over here. They're all in this same little cluster. Meet at door. The only reason why I knew it was the right building is because it says, it showed me a picture. Which is, I remember at the beginning I was like, I don't know if I like these pictures, but shoot, more info the better. This is probably her right here. And I'm looking crazy. Hey, Lauren? Hey, my bad. I went into the other. I do that all the time, going that wrong one.
Look, I'm picking it up for us and her phone locked. If you sent a message, I'm sorry.
Oh, that's all good. Thank you. Have a blessed day. All right, guys. Got that one dropped off. And let's see if we can get something else. See if we're still on this DoorDash schedule. I think we're on there for another 12 minutes. So let's try to make the most of it. Let's get it. All right, guys, we've been just chilling. We've been chilling for a while. DoorDash schedule had ended, and then I just decided to work on a couple thumbnails. One for the Love Thy Grind channel, If you did enjoy the reactions, I know a few enjoyed them, most didn't on this channel, but a few did enjoy the reaction. If you do, follow that channel, Love Like Grind, right here. That's where I'll be doing the reactions on that channel. So I just made a thumbnail for that, made a thumbnail for this one, and now we're good to go. So we're about to head to pick up our first catering order. We have two. Our first catering order right here, Salad Station. My absolute favorite. I don't think there's any other one that's better than Salad. No, it's literally my favorite. You know, it's just good people, generally ready. And if it's not ready, it's seconds to being ready. Packaging is top tier. Everything's great. So now we're heading here right now to pick that one up. Should be very smooth. It is, you know, obviously delivering to the same kind of area, so drop-offs can be a little iffy sometimes, but you know, we're here for it. And then we're picking up from a place I don't believe we ever picked up a catering order from. So yeah, that should be interesting. The drop-off is very, very close to the pickup, so that one's gonna be very quick. This drop-off is very close to the pickup. Both of these drop-offs are easy peasy when it comes to that, you know, distance and stuff. So right after the second drop-off, though, I'm going to end it. And actually, my wife's actually in town now. She's not working in her office away. She's in town here. So what we'll do is meet up for lunch right after the second one. Sounds like a plan to me. Sounds like a beautiful day. Then get back home, edit this one. I've already edited the other one for the other channel this morning. Wow. Feels good. Feels good. Feel accomplished. Now, just need to hop online, play some poker, and absolutely kill it. That's part of the plan for the day. Everything else, I've accomplished. So now, yeah, let's go ahead, get this one picked up. We're almost here now. Let's get it. All right, guys. Head into here. Let's see what we got. We gotta get this picked up. We waited in the car a minute. They usually are. Yeah. See the caterings in there. How you doing? Have the catering pick up.
You're doing the catering. Yeah, but I was missing people this morning. One of them got rushed to the hospital this morning, so left me running behind, and I had this big catering.
They had to go to the hospital for the one overnight. This afternoon, they're going to shut down I-10 lane in the airport.
That's going to be a lot. That's going to be a lot. I know, that helps me to know, because now I'm not sitting there thinking,
I didn't know that.
What is this today?
Today? Yeah, he's going to come in from the airport at 1. They're going to close I-10. And he's going to leave 2 lanes, and they're going to close I-10 at 5.
Oh, man.
5 o'clock.
That seems horrible.
They get done quick.
You must have been out of the boxes.
what is it?
You must have been out of the boxes.
Yeah.
I was like,
Everything's
normally,
out.
I was like, okay. That's why I didn't bring the bags in.
It's okay. Mondays and Thursdays, we usually have our big boxes, our truck days.
Oh, okay. And then you run out throughout the week.
Yeah.
All right.
And
Just
then
need you
this
to.
was a surprise order that came through.
Yeah, it came in later. Yeah.
Yeah, it came in pretty late.
Yeah. Thank you much.
Of course, thank you.
All right, guys. Definitely a little different today. No boxes and a little bit behind, but you know, obviously, when something like that, she said somebody had to be rushed to the hospital. So we still will be arriving to the drop-off about 10 minutes early. So no problem there. We'll have enough time to get this dropped off and then head on to our final one. So yeah, guys, let's go ahead, get on the move. Let's get it. All right, guys. We got that picked up there at Salad Station. Yeah, about 4 minutes behind, right? But 4 minutes behind there is like nothing compared to like some of these places that make you wait so long. And they had some real stuff happening. Somebody got rushed to the hospital there, so they couldn't open right there, the opener. So yeah, and then they had this catering order come in. Like, I just got this last night, so they must have just got it last night. You know what I mean? Normally I get mine a couple days ahead, so because I only had one for today, and then this one came in and it worked. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and get this one dropped off. Heading to the doctor's offices again, that kind of thing. So shouldn't be bad though. This is familiar. All these are familiar over here for sure, but you know, it's still, and now it's individual packaging. She says she were out of the boxes. She says something about, what'd she say? Certain days they get their truck in, and then by the beginning of the week, they had already used it from the ones that came in on, either they come in on Wednesdays or something, the boxes. I don't know what she said. Anyways, yeah. So we have individual salads that we got to set up instead of just plopping them boxes open, which we love so much. And this is a pretty big one too. This is like $400 in comparison to the normal ones, like $200 or whatever. So yeah, let's get this one dropped off and keep this thing moving, guys. Let's go. All right, guys, we're about 12 minutes early, but we can start heading up there. Yeah, we're having to park at this spot here, but we shall get it all loaded up. All right, guys, floor 6 we go. Hey, how y'all doing? Got lunch food for you guys?
You know what a lunch is?
I think so. Yeah. All right, thank you. Uh-oh. All right, guys, let's get them set up over here. How are you?
I'm great. How are you today?
Good, good.
It's hot out there.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
I know, right?
They're like Vegas now.
Hydrated, yeah.
Yeah. Snap a photo, be good to go. All right, thank you much. Have a blessed day. All right. Okay, y'all. Went the wrong way, didn't I? Thank you, you too. All right, guys, got that dropped off. Oh, that would have been an easy way to come in. Let's get on the road to the next one. Let's freaking get it. All right, guys, we got that dropped off there, up in there. Like we've been in there often. Now we are heading over here to Elmwood area to pick up this original Italian pie. It's a pizza spot. Well, like Italian food, all kinds of Italian food. We ordered them on DoorDash or Uber Eats. I think I ordered on Uber Eats like a week ago. The strangest thing I've ever seen. I don't know if I have a screenshot. I don't know. I think it's, I don't know. If I do, it'll be right here. I'll show you what it said. It had said, okay. So I placed the order through Uber Eats. I think I tipped like 12, but I mean, it was I generally tip pretty well when I order delivery because, you know, obviously I understand that it matters. But anyways, and I didn't get a message from Uber. I got a message saying that you won't be receiving updates from the Uber Eats platform. The merchant will be delivering your food directly, like from the merchant. So I'm like, okay, this is kind of odd. That's kind of weird because I ordered from Uber Eats. And then it let me know that they were busy and they were behind. The order will be delayed. I'm like, what the heck is that? Like, okay, if it's delayed, send somebody from Uber. I mean, what are you doing? Why are you hoarding these orders? So it's kind of odd the way they did that. And I'm pretty confident that if it was a no tip, it would have went through Uber. Because it was a tip, a decent one, they wanted to keep it. It's kind of odd, man. I don't know. You got to watch. These places are odd and strange right now. So I guess what I'm trying to say is I'm glad this is Easy Cater because I'm pretty confident the only reason why I'm picking it up is because there was probably no tip. Let's be honest. Because I just saw that happen. There was a different platform. It wasn't catering, but you know, same concept. They want to deliver the ones with the tip. You see what I'm saying? So in these cases, you know, you're just thankful for the tip pool and you're thankful for how that works through them because it doesn't matter to me either way. I mean, it's going to be the same amount. So, but anyways, this is getting delivered right there in Elmwood. Pickup and delivery is right there in Elmwood. Wifey is right there in Elmwood. So we're going to, after I drop this off, grab us something to eat and enjoy our day when I get back to the house and probably get some stuff done around there and call it a day. It's been good. Can't complain, that's for sure. You just can't complain. So anyways, let's go ahead. Let's get this picked up. We're going to be arriving 5 minutes early, which is ironic because when I talked to DeliverThat support yesterday, when I got both of them, I asked if they can stretch this one out 5 minutes for this pickup because I knew this drop-off. And they said, yeah, no problem. I see where the drop-off is. It's going to be very, very close. So the drop-off is only like 3 or 4 minutes away, guys, from the pickup. So they did. They stretched it out that 5 minutes. And that 5 minutes, I'll be 5 minutes early now. So I would have been exactly on time, which is funny. But anyways, let's go ahead, get this picked up now. All right, guys, we're here. I don't know to bring in the bags or not. I don't know what kind of packaging. Like I said, I've never delivered here. Let's see. How's it going?
And these are the drinks, honey. It's gonna have your triple bag it for you. No problem.
Hey, yeah, I have a Easy Cater pickup.
Cater, I got you.
All right. All right, awesome.
These, and I'm gonna make a bag of ice for you.
Okay, great. Thank you. Just scribble, yeah. Thank you. Have a blessed day. You as well. got that picked up. Hope the camera's okay. Absolutely knocked it off. Man, this sucker is falling a lot. I have been eyeballing that Insta360 Ace Pro though. I really have, but I'm not gonna break this one just for that, but you know what I mean. If it were to happen, it would probably be the Ace Pro because it's great in low light. But when am I out here in low light? I don't ever do nighttime anyway. Anyways, let's head to the drop off. Let's go. All right, guys. We got that picked up there at Italian Pie. Pretty smooth, pretty nice actually, pretty nice. Looked like they had another catering order right before me that went through either went through DoorDash or he's just using DoorDash bags. You never know. But yeah, pretty nice stuff. Now we're stuck at this intersection, looking crazy. But we're gonna go ahead and get this dropped off. We're 4 minutes away from the drop off. Yeah, and we have 11 minutes to drop off. So these are the non-stressful stacked orders. These are great when it works out like this. You're not stressed out at all. It just works out perfectly. I wonder if I can go there. Can I not? Oh no, you can't. Never mind. I can't go that way. So yeah, I gotta type it in the actual GPS, and because what happens is the car never know about detours. Now I'm 6 minutes away instead of 4. So yeah, it's all good. Anyways, guys, today was smooth. Today was nice. Tomorrow I am going to not come out. Man, this is really dirtying up the car right here. I'm gonna let you see all this dust coming out. Oh my God, it's really dirtying up the car right here. But tomorrow I'm not gonna come out. I had a couple in there, but you know, I gotta balance it, guys. I gotta balance it. I really enjoy coming out making the content, obviously. And I really enjoy doing the on-demand content, but obviously it's the time to money ratio just, it's not there anymore. It's not there anymore. It may be there if I was in the tiers, like if I was up in like the platinum or premier or whatever they call the dashing, then it may be there then, but it's not there now. It's just, for one, it's hard to get on. You can hardly get on to the schedule in the first place. Then when you're having a hard time to get on the schedule, you get bombarded with $2 orders. So it's not there. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna still do them. Obviously the on-demand stuff. I know I've got a couple comments recently. Thank you for doing these. I know they don't pay as much of the catering. I do appreciate you guys acknowledging that, but you know, I do enjoy them too because it's spontaneous. What the freak is this guy doing? It's spontaneous. And that's what I like about the on-demand stuff. You never know what's going to pop up. You never know what kind of pickle I'm going to get myself into. It's just, you know what I mean? I enjoy that a lot as well. But anyways, let's go ahead and get this one dropped off as fast as we can. There is a lot happening in the city right now. I mean, look at this. We got construction, and then I didn't know we can do this. Oh, maybe we can. Yeah, we can do this. Let's get over here. All right, there's a lot happening in the city right now, and then apparently the president is coming today, which they're gonna close off our interstate at 1 o'clock and at 5 o'clock. So that, oh man, I can't go that way. Dang it, bruh! What is happening? Every route says I can't go. This is the weirdest thing ever. This is weird. They cut off all this stuff. So now, well, it still says 6 minutes, but it's probably been 8 minutes, but we're still early, so it's fine. Oh my God, guys. Anyways, as always, I definitely want to thank you guys for everything you continuing to do with the liking, the commenting, subscribing. It really does mean the world to me. And always remember, guys, if you aren't living the life you want to live, there's no better time like right now to go ahead and get that changed. Hope you guys have a wonderful and blessed day. I'll see you next time with another video. Peace. All right, guys, we're here. We are here at the drop-off. Apparently, wifey and I got times mixed up because she's not ready for another hour or so. Yeah, I'll be almost done editing this video by then. So yeah, I'm not gonna sit around for an hour. can't do it. I gotta keep moving, you know. Get me something to eat. Head to his house. Let's get this one dropped off. Let's see. Oh, I didn't look at the suite number. Did not look at the suite number. Hold on. It's pretty in here. Suite number 35. Right here. Hey. How's it going? Doing all right?
Yep. I guess we can just put it up in there.
In here, huh?
This might be a sign for it.
No. No signature required on that. Nice. Not too much. Not too much. You can just snap a photo, be out of your hair. All right, buddy. Thank you. Have a blessed day now.
I'll see you tomorrow. I got another catering order coming tomorrow.
All right, buddy. Have a good one. One thing's for certain, he will not see me tomorrow. Tomorrow is off. He will not. But anyways, guys, let's get out of here. I will see you guys next time with another video. Peace.
Timing, 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 all about timing, timing.